Today we're launching GETitOUT, which will give you two things. It will help you analyze and create a strong marketing foundation so that you get to know who your ideal clients are, how you can craft the messages, and how you can even generate those messages, right? With a few clicks and the GETitOUT assistance. And then in phase 2, GETitOUT allows you to actually generate websites, landing pages, emails, and many more marketing materials in the future, complete with those texts. But you know what? Enough of a preliminary introduction. Let me show you how this works by working backwards. So this one-page website was completely created in GETitOUT in a matter of minutes. Look at that. It's complete with design and layout. It carries your visual identity. So you just upload your logo, set your colors and fonts, and GETitOUT creates all your materials in your design. But the most spectacular thing is that all the texts you see here are not fake texts. These are texts based on your input, based on the marketing foundation you've created. So GETitOUT can actually write true marketing copy, true marketing texts that will resonate with your clients and make them click those sign up buttons, make them sign up for your newsletters or online product sessions, whatever you have. But how do we get there? So let me show you the simple 3-step assistant that takes you there. So this is GETitOUT. And you see here, GETitOUT is structured in 3 steps: input, analyze, and then you finally create your materials. Let's work backwards. If I go to websites, you see I've already created this one page, the one we've just looked at. So let's have a look how this works by going into the editor. And this is where GETitOUT is completely different to all other website builders. If I go back, you see that it all starts with a template. The template gives you sort of the context of what you want to create. For example, a complete one-page website, thank you pages, landing pages, etc. After picking your template, and this is the magic, you pick your building blocks. This is the marketing foundation you had created earlier with GETitOUT. So, for example, you pick your buyer persona, right? The different types of clients you have. After picking the buyer persona, then you just choose what struggles or pains they have, what goals they pursue. And this is all information you just enter once into GETitOUT, and then later you just mix and match and pick those building blocks. If you want to showcase existing clients, like as a social proof bar, which benefits you want to feature, again, you put those texts in once into GETitOUT. GETitOUT then helps you improve them, and then you just pick. And then after clicking next, GETitOUT will put those texts together for you and create those websites, landing pages, etc. in your design with your texts. And of course, if I go to this hero, let's say here we have this benefit section. These are benefit details. You can enter everywhere, update those texts, pick different images. So you can enter, you can edit all those contents, but they are already there. You will never stare at a blank page again, right? So GETitOUT creates design, texts, layout, and everything. You just click save, leave, and that's it. You have created a complete marketing material that actually resonates with your clients. That was the output. So let me quickly show you how we got there. Everything starts at phase 1, input, where you put in a few basic infos about your product and its features. So you can add either products or services, and then you add the main feature categories and all the different actions or sub-features you can take. Second, you can enter a few details about your company and your team. So we also have that information to display in email signatures if you want to create those, for example. And finally, you set your design, meaning you upload your logo, a hero image of your product or service, pick your colors and fonts. That's it. That's just a basic setup, which should take you no more than 15 to 20 minutes. Then comes phase 2, analyze. This is where it gets really special. That's where the magic sauce is of GETitOUT. It starts with buyer personas. This is your understanding of your ideal clients. The cool thing is you can even create several buyer personas, which is incredibly powerful. So you can compare the different buyer personas, which are your different types of ideal clients, to find out to whom to market first. Or if you're a marketing freelancer, you can do this for different buyer personas for all of your clients, for example. And if we enter there, you see that a buyer persona has all of these demographics info, like you might probably know. But most importantly, you can add the pains and daily struggles they have and the goals they pursue to get this complete understanding for as many buyer personas as you want. And then GETITOUT helps you turn those features and buyer personas into benefits, into messages that resonate and actually attract your clients. And this is pretty cool because it's completely a guided process. It takes you by the hand. So here that's the benefit assistant, for example, and you can see, well, we have a pain, for example, that people are feeling unsafe on the internet and fear data breaches, and they want to protect their browsing history. So these pains and goals go together, but which of your features actually helps with them? Well, the privacy protection, maybe these three. This is how you bring your product together with what your clients actually need. And then the magic happens and GETITOUT actually creates the texts for you. So tired of feeling unsafe on the internet? It's time to stop that. So after creating those texts, you have the benefit. That's like turning features into benefits. And then you can sort of fine tune the texts in case we still have some grammatical issues. So we're still working on improving the text generation. And very soon, artificial intelligence is going to come into that as well, as soon as in November. So now you've created the text and we just leave and save. And that's how easy it is to turn features into benefits. So now you have the next building block inside GETITOUT. Just apart from analyzing existing clients, for example, or looking at your competition and analyzing these as well. And now that you've got all these building blocks in, which might take you maybe 1 to 2 hours, then comes the fun part. And you can actually start creating landing pages and websites from scratch. Create emails to deliver lead magnets, for example. And in the future, I'll move myself out of the way, you'll be able to create many, many more outputs, like social media, campaigns, etc. Okay, so maybe let's create just one website together from scratch. So the only thing you do is you click New Website. Let's create a landing page to, well, deliver a lead magnet. Let's see what happens. And this is the magic. You just pick those building blocks. So which of your target clients do you want to address? Which of your buyer personas? What main goal does the lead magnet help them achieve? Well, maybe they want to get more sales. Additional goals. Let's say they want to make a profit, cut costs, and differentiate themselves better. Main pain. Again, selecting several ones. This is like you just put the data in once, then you just mix and match. What's the main benefit we're going to promote? Well, this will be privacy protection. And the call to action, this is something you can also define centrally, will be a lead magnet. That's it. Let's see what happens. And here we go. You see, we got a complete landing page built out for you. Down here, we need an image of your lead magnet, which you can easily upload on the left, but the rest is there. Tired of feeling unsafe on the internet? That's a benefit that was created as a building block. If you're a CEO or founder struggling, we know, as you picked your buyer persona, we know how to address them. So all these tags actually create themselves, right? Let's upload the image and save that page. And once you've got the page inside GETITOUT, there's like 2 possibilities you have to get it out there, as we say. Either you can download the HTML of the page and upload it to your web server, or you can just copy and paste the texts if that is what you want, or you can publish them directly via GETITOUT. You just add a slug, lead magnet, PDF, and then let's publish the page. And this is like the easiest way ever to get websites or landing pages out there, because GETITOUT creates text, layout, design, and even with one click publishes them on a GETITOUT subdomain if it's just about landing pages. And there we go. Let's click here and the website is actually online. Incredible, right? So sorry for not taking 2 minutes, but many, many more. But I hope you can share my excitement of how this new process goes, and I hope you see that Get It Out has a completely different approach in terms of how we generate marketing materials. So in short, if you're a marketing freelancer and do projects for many different clients, Get It Out can actually help you manage all of those clients. Meaning, if you're in the Get It Out dashboard, you can actually add all of your different clients, and then with just one click, you enter into the client and you can manage your client's marketing foundation, your client's buyer personas and texts. So this makes your life as a marketing freelancer much, much easier, right? Because now you can manage all the texts in one place and then create many marketing materials much faster for your client. And if you're a startup founder or a small business owner, well, same thing. You might have just one product to start with, but you put your marketing texts in once and you will never have to stare at that blank page again, thinking of what message am I going to write? What text should I create? How shall I put those pages together? Because the whole process is accompanied by Get It Out. So you can analyze your marketing and build all those great assets. That's it. Hope you like that. And please go to getitout.io, sign up for the free trial. You can try all this out for 2 weeks. And then happy to see you on that other side. Take care. Bye-bye.